I'm looking at the group, the Padlet. Okay, now we have the names, Frenzy, Logi, SMT, Blitz. So group 2, please name your group. I need the group name. Group 5, group 6. Well, never mind. Okay, you can discuss about the name later. What I want you to do well, we are not going to have lecture today. Okay. Actually, I have also update the e-learning website. Okay. Update not all, not everything I put there. But now you can access the e-learning. Okay. In one of the how to say the space there, I have uploaded one article written by Geno. Okay, Geno. Maybe you can take a look. Hold on, I'm sharing the article now. Okay, can you see that in the screen?
Yes,
Okay,
Dr.
good. Okay. Managing technology and innovation. Yeah. I have uploaded this in e-learning. Okay. This is article published in IEE Engineering Management Review, Engineering Management Review, and written by Gerard Geno. Okay. Who is Gerard Geno? He used to be the 3M Director of Engineering. Okay. Retired already, and he worked many years as the R&D manager lah. Okay. The director of engineering. Okay, director of engineering. Okay, 3M. If you remember my class in innovation management, if we talk about 3M, okay, this is the how to say one of the most innovative companies. Very innovative company. If we read technology and innovation management, you always come up the name 3M. 3M, big company, but they produce hundreds, not thousands, hundreds of different products. Their products usually not so how to say sophisticated in terms of technology. Okay, they just make a simple product and very simple. Well, of course they make also product like what we call a projector or projector. But most of their products very simple. Okay, sandpaper or sticky note, sticky note. Okay, but they are very how to say very innovative. Very innovative, and they always come up with something new. In 2 3 years, they come up with something new. Okay, they always introduce new product to the market. Okay? That make them a very innovative company. Okay, so this director of engineering of GM, okay, the former lah, okay, he wrote this article, okay, on managing technology innovation. Basically, he wrote what is technology and innovation management. What is technology and why it is very important. and the key issues related to managing technology innovation. Okay. So what I want you to do is, okay, this is related. We are still in the how to say the looking at the concept. Still looking at the concept and key uh, uh, definition. Okay. Why managing what is managing technology innovation and why it's very important. Okay, so this article I think is good for you to read it. Yeah. Okay. I want you to read this. This is very simple article. Okay, only 3 pages here. Okay, read this. Okay, and discuss in group. Discuss in group the key points. Yeah, the key points from this article. What is technology management? What is technology management? What is technology innovation management? Why it is very important? And what are the key issues usually faced by the organization in terms of technology innovation? Yeah, we discussed that. Well, this is very simple. A simple article. Read it. Okay, discuss. Okay, and summarize it. Okay, just summarize. Uh, how to say simple summary, and write that in the slide. Around 3 to 4 slide is okay. And then later tomorrow. Okay, we will you will share the how to say the findings, okay, in class, and then we discuss. Yeah. Okay. So basically, that is the how to say the task lah, the task for for this week session. Anything unclear here?
So doctor means we will present tomorrow, right?
Tomorrow, yes, very simple one.
Okay.
I want just very simple one. Okay, no need to the
Doctor,
important thing is
we'll just
yes,
summarize the important thing, the
the
overall
important thing.
the overall article. Is it?
Yes. The important mean, okay, I got the 3 important items just now. Okay. What is technology? What is technology innovation management? Okay. And then why it is very important. Okay. And then the key issues. And that is from the perspective of Gerard Geno. Okay. Geno, he used to work many years in 3M. So maybe he got the very good idea, okay, on what is management of technology innovation and why it's very important. Yeah. And well, by doing this, I think we can compare. Okay. Well, of course, in the textbook, in the reference book, okay, maybe we say something. Okay. In here, maybe there are the author add something more. Okay, on what is important thing in technology and um, innovation management. This is from the perspective of people in the industry, practitioner. It might be different perspective from the textbook, okay? Or maybe the same. Okay, so I want you to compare that one. Okay. Any question? That the task. Okay. Um, the task for today. Okay. We got still time here. Maybe I want to give me time also to how to say share on something here on strategic. Any question on the article here? Anything not clear?
Doctor,
I
what
think,
did you say about the comparison? Can you tell again?
comparison.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, in the first class, okay, we have discussed a little bit, okay, about managing technology innovation, right? What is technology and what is innovation? Okay, so basically that is from the Trot textbook. Okay,
Yeah.
here this is from Gano, Gano.
Different. Yeah.
Okay, I'm not saying that totally different. Okay, maybe he got um certain perspective, which might be different. Okay, because remember this Gerard Gano is actually practitioner.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Trot actually academics, academic
Right.
professor, professor of technology management, and this one is written by 3M, former 3M director of engineering. Okay, so he may not say something different, okay, from uh, we learn in the textbook. Okay,
Okay. Okay, doctor.
okay. That is the main point here. Okay, actually the idea is for you to, I'm forcing you to read the articles actually, okay, to get some idea lah. Of course, when you do how to say final year project, you are doing it now, yeah. Final year project, okay, you have to read a lot of articles, okay, and this is only one of the article, which is very simple article actually, okay? But very relevant to how to say to discuss lah. Okay. Because well, when you well, this is from feedback from the your seniors lah. Okay, sometime, okay, you go during interview, okay, the your employer, the employer will ask you, okay, what do you learn, what do you learn, your undergraduate, okay, okay, I learned technology management, okay, and then what is technology management, okay, they will ask you. Okay. So and answering this question sometimes can be tricky lah, okay. So of course you have to be able to summarize, okay, what you have learned. You are taking Bachelor of Management, bracket technology, okay, or technology management program. Okay, you should be able to tell other people, what is technology management? Kan, urusan teknologi itu apa? What is technology management? What are the key issues? Okay, so this is actually some things that you can add. Okay, this is from the perspective of industry. Okay. Very clear, eh? I just want to work in groups and read and summarize. The one we continue this later tomorrow. Okay. Okay. Hold on. Give me time to share a little bit, okay, about the strategic management of technology. Actually, all the slides I have uploaded already in the e-learning. Okay. Okay, let me talk a little bit. Okay, because this course, okay, well, maybe you are familiar with technology management, innovation management. You are already familiar. Okay. So this calls strategic, man. Strategic. The word strategic. Okay. This is not totally new thing. Okay, because I think you have already taken, or you are taking strategic management class. Have you taken strategic management class? Or you are taking that this semester? Second semester. Okay. That is very related lah. Okay, strategic management. Okay. So the word strategic is very important. Okay, strategy. So what is strategy? This is very general lah. Okay, general. General. I think you have learned also that you have also learned this in principle of management and strategy. Okay. Strategy defined as coordinated set of actions that fulfill the firm's objective, purpose, and goals. It is not a single act in the firm. Well, of course, it is very important for organization to have a strategy. Okay, because without strategy, business or organization or any entity lah, okay, they will have no well-defined path, okay, to follow. Okay, no roadmap to follow or no roadmap to manage by. Okay, and no cohesive reasoned action plan in order to produce successful performance. Okay? So that is why strategy is very important. Okay, sometimes companies or organization, okay, they may have well, of course, they will have how to say they will have the objective, but the strategy to achieve the objective also very important. Okay, so must have strategy. You can take a look at the word coordinated set of action. Okay, coordinated set of action. Because in organization, okay, in organization, of course, there are many parties and people, okay? People or a department or section, okay. So everybody, okay, they will do something, okay. They will do something to, of course, to achieve the objective and purpose or goals of the organization. Okay, so all these activities, okay, must be coordinated. Yeah, if not coordinated, then there will be how to say repetition. There will be repetition, maybe um, other different people within the different section, okay, or different departments, okay, they do repetitive action, so it might not be good. Repetitive or maybe contradict. They may contradict with each other. Okay, which is not good. Okay, so all these need to be coordinated set of actions, strategy. Okay, so this strategy may be very related with plan. Okay, but is a little bit different lah. Okay, so company must have a strategy. Okay, so everything they do must be strategic. Okay, any organization which do not have a strategy, even though they have a good resource, maybe company, okay, they have very good technology, but if they don't have a strategy, okay, they may not be um, able to win, okay, or to win over their competitors. Okay, that's why they have to have good strategy. Okay, so even strategy, yeah, um, how to say, competitor, sometimes they have to work with each other, and so that is also part of the strategy lah. Okay, company now even it's very difficult for companies, okay, to be good. They can. It is very impossible to be good at everything, lah. Okay. Um, because everything now, especially technology, technology and product become more complex. And not every single company they have everything to achieve their objective. Okay, to make one product. Okay? I always give examples of a phone, iPhone for example. Okay, one single iPhone. Okay, inside the iPhone there are many components. There are many components, and it is the product of many different supplier. Okay, many different technology. Okay, even though Apple is designed and made and assembled by iPhone is made and assembled by Apple, but the technology very complicated, and it also adopt the technology from outside. Okay, so Apple should have a good strategy, okay, to get all those technology, okay, not only develop themselves, okay, but they also have to work. Sometimes they even work with their competitor Samsung, okay, to come up with a good quality product. Okay, so this is strategy lah. Okay, this is one part of strategy. Okay, so not only organization lah, even countries, even people. Okay, we should have our strategy. Okay, to be successful. Countries, okay, they should have strategy. Okay, to work or to cooperate with each other, with other company. Okay, to to be good. Economy, for example. Okay, so strategy should have. So that is basically the important keywords here. Okay, the word strategy. Okay? Why strategy is very important? Because no strategy, there will be no coordinated action. Okay, and no defined business path to follow, no roadmap to manage by, and no cohesive. Um, how to say? There will be no cohesive. Mean there should be cooperation. Okay, very well managed cooperation, okay, between different parties, okay, or different departments within the organization. Okay? So it's very important for companies to have strategy. Okay? So any question on this? Okay, okay, let me introduce another this another one slide. Okay. I will introduce only two slides today. Okay. Another thing is very important is capabilities. Capabilities, especially this is technology management. Okay, so we talk about technological capabilities. Okay, so companies should have the technical or technological capabilities. Okay, uh, but at the same time also they need other important capabilities, and that is market capabilities. Okay, so both capabilities, are required. Okay, sometimes companies, okay, maybe they have a very good technical capabilities, but they may not have a good market capabilities. Okay, they have good technology, but they are not able to place the product or the technology appropriately in the market. Okay, very good technology, they have a product with a very good product, okay, with a sophisticated technology, but they are not able to market it. Okay, then this is not good for the companies lah. Okay, they have good things, okay, but they cannot sell it, something like that. Okay, so that is not good. Okay, so both types of capabilities is very important. Of course, this is one of the important issues lah, okay, in strategic management of technology. Okay, to for the companies to have the right capabilities, not only the technical and technological capabilities, but also the capabilities to promote or to market, okay, the product, okay, effectively, okay, so that the product, okay, will be successful lah, okay. So in terms of technology capabilities also, this is about how the firm approaches technology, okay. So as you can see here in this slide, okay, it's very important for companies to have the capability to destroy, preserve, and develop technology. Okay. So logically, okay, it might make sense, okay, for companies to develop technology, okay, but to destroy, okay, destroy technology. Why it is important for companies to destroy technology? Any idea? What capabilities? Okay. Why it is very important for a company to destroy technology? Okay. Not only to develop technology. Okay. Developing technology is very important lah. Okay. Okay. So there are some notes here. Okay. To destroy, yes. To destroy is to able to, how to say, to forget about the old technology. Okay. And replace it with the new or better one. Okay. And sometimes this one need to be done very quickly, very rapidly. Okay. Without the ability to do this, okay, you may be left behind. Okay. So that's why it's very important, okay, for company to have the capability to destroy. Okay. You don't be surprised. Okay. Sometimes, okay, companies, okay, they are very, very difficult, okay, to um, how to say, to forget, not to forget lah, okay, to abandon, okay, something which they have already possessed many years, okay. Maybe they have certain technology, okay. Sometimes it's very difficult for company, okay, to say something like they may have some what we call it sentimental value, okay, for the technology lah, okay. That's my own word, okay. Sometimes companies, okay, it's very difficult for them to, to adopt something new. That is not very good, okay, in terms of innovation management, okay. Because technology always change, okay. Company have to be innovative, okay, and they have to very quick in changing, okay, changing or replacing, okay, the old technology with the new one. Okay, that's why here one of the important technical capabilities is to eliminate and replace the old technology, okay, and also to preserve or maintain the existing technology for continuous improvement. Existing technology may be useful, okay, and it continue to be useful, okay? And also very important for companies to have the capabilities to develop leaping others with new technological capabilities. This one usually developing, okay? If you remember, when we learn innovation management, this is we can develop it internally, using research and development company to R&D to develop technology. And of course, they can adopt or obtain the technology from outside, from other companies, from other organization like university. Okay, they adopt and assimilate, okay, the technology into their own use lah. Okay, so these two types of capabilities is very important for the or for the organization. This is one of the issues. Now, of course, there are many other issues, okay, that we will consider, okay, in this course. Okay, so this is some of them. Okay. So any question? So this today is very short session today. Okay, for tomorrow, I have given you the task, okay, to read the articles, okay. So tomorrow, we will have 2 hour session, okay. The first 1 hour, okay, you will spend that. Well, of course, we can start now, okay, today. Or you may start tomorrow, okay. Well, it's up to you, but what I want to know is tomorrow, okay, the second session, okay, not the second session. We start at what time to tomorrow? 11, okay, 10. Start at 10 kan usually. Okay, what I want you to do is by 11, 11, we will have sharing session. Okay, so where every group, okay, will share their discussion. Okay, that should be a short one. Okay, that will finish in 1 hour. Okay, so every we have how many groups here? 6 groups. So every group will spend about 5 or 6 minutes now, okay, to share your discussion. A very simple one. Okay? This is not we will have a real presentation later, okay, but this one is actually just sharing now. But of course, the slide should be very clear enough for everybody to see the summary. Okay. Anything? Everything clear? How you want to discuss? Okay, it's up to you. Okay. I will leave it to you. Okay, to discuss it. Okay. But what I want to know is the result. Okay, can see the result tomorrow. 11. Okay, 11 you present the result. So this hope I will have my own way to ensure, okay, everything participate, okay, in the discussion. During this discussion, maybe I will ask. So everybody must know, okay, the idea is for you to read and then discuss it among your friends, can. So I know I'm also the student lah. Okay, sometimes okay, you just okay this time okay, let who say Christopher, okay, now you know, okay. Only Christopher do and nobody other team member don't read, okay, that's not good, okay. Okay, everybody must read, everybody must understand, okay. And tomorrow everybody I can ask anybody to share, okay, among among the group member, I can ask anybody. Okay? So be prepared. Okay. The idea is good now, okay, for you to read. That is not very difficult article actually. Okay. Okay. If
Doctor, tomorrow class
yes.
will start from 10 or 11?
Well, I want to know the result at 11. Okay. So you can discuss among yourself. You can start from 10. Okay, discussing it's up to you. Okay, I will give you the liberty, the opportunity to to decide. Okay, on how are you going to do it. Okay. So WebEx session start 11 tomorrow. Is that clear? WebEx session at 11.
Clear, doctor.
Very clear, eh?
Okay, doctor.
So, if nothing, okay, thank you so much. Okay, I'll see you again tomorrow, okay, where we will have sharing and discussion. Okay, good. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Doctor.
Doctor.